That's why they didn't have his stuff with his big old uncomfortably built self. He needs to stick to what? Cakes. If I have to toot my own horn, let's toot it. What's up, squad? It's your girl Jay, and it is another vlog. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, again, I am Jay, and if you have not already done so, I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel and become a part of the squad. Now today, I am attending a Christmas gala. So it is a formal event where I get to dress up, and I always get excited about dressing up because I don't do it very often. And so this is the beginning of our day. I got Mini Me over here. There she is. She has an actual birthday party to attend today at 4:30. So her Aunt Ty is going to take her to that for me because I have appointments to prepare for tonight. And I'm excited because this is my first time attending a Christmas gala. I am not even sure what you're supposed to do at a gala, but I'm excited because I get to get all dolled up. And like I said, it's not very often I get to do that. So we're about to get our day going, and I will bring you guys back. I can't even talk. I almost got twisted over my words. Anyways, I'll bring you guys back once I get to destination number 1. Or maybe I'll just bring you guys back once I have the full look together. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, y'all. So this is the look. I know I got a big forehead. I don't need y'all to state the obvious. I got a middle part bust down, jet black. We straightened out a wavy wig. It is kind of long considering I'm only 5'4". I'm average size, or average height, I should say. And this is the look. I normally do not venture too far off from what I'm accustomed to, which are side parts. I have just recently got into doing middle parts, so it's giving scalp though. It is giving scalp. It's just I'm self-conscious about my forehead. But it is what it is. I am sitting outside waiting on my makeup appointment. It is in about 5 minutes. So I am going to bring you guys back with the final look. It's a video. Hey you guys, it is Sunday. It is the day after the gala, and I'm just picking the camera back up to check back in with you guys. I'm back to my regular look, y'all know, but I clean up well. If I have to toot my own horn, let's toot it. Anyways, I am headed to Brothers. We are celebrating sister's birthday still, and Grumps has agreed to cook. But him being who he is, he does not have all the ingredients that he needed to prepare the dishes he stated he would prepare. So I had to make an HEB run to get spring roll skin for Grumps, okay? And we also have today a graduation celebration. So we will attend that, and of course, y'all get to come along with me. It is currently 2:36, so we're eating lunch together. I would call it lunch. A late lunch, because it's not really dinner time either. So Grumps is supposed to be preparing steak and all this other stuff. When we went to Joey Uptown, we had, I think they were called mashed potato wraps or loaded mashed potato wraps, where it was mashed potatoes deep fried with the spring roll skin wrapped around it, and it was so good. So Grumps is going to remake that, and hopefully he can hit the nail on the head, because y'all know sometimes the things that Grumps prepare is a hit or miss. Cakes, he can do. Pies, still a work in progress. And I hope that this is gonna be good, or at least close to what we had at Joy Uptown. But anywho, that's what I have going on right now. I am almost to Brothers. Of course, I'll bring you guys back, and then we'll head over to our graduation celebration. So, let's continue our day. Okay, y'all. Oh, bad lighting. I have arrived at Brothers.
ready to open the door. He said, Midas open.
That's why they didn't have his stuff with his big old uncomfortably built self. I'm sick of him. And I just got here. And if you said, I don't care. If you said you was gonna cook something, where are your supplies?
What do you mean my supplies?
Your paper.
My paper?
The paper you told me to pick up.
They didn't have it yet.
So why you didn't go somewhere else? But you knew about this date how long ago?
J-Mo, get...
Yeah, they're gonna earn it. Oh, Grumps.
Please get out of my face.
I'm not in your face. You just walked over. You walked over here.
You are.
And the people want to know, are you gonna be ready with your channel next month?
I know they keep asking me. It's so sweet.
Because you said January. Well, he didn't say what year, y'all.
Stop!
I just want to let you know that you looked a mess last night.
You know I look good. Look, he know I look good. You can't even make yourself believe that lie.
You looked a mess.
As you do today. Hey, y'all. How y'all doing? Look, gang, they're here.
You was looking right last night.
Thank you. Hey, Megan.
Right, bro?
No, right. Right. I'll bring y'all back. Let me.
Like, secretly loves it.
No, Ernie gets a thrill out of doing this. You know what Promise said? You look like Wednesday's mother. Ernie, come on, talk to the people.
I'm not talking to nobody.
You gonna talk to the people?
Definitely not talking to you.
I said talk to the people. Y'all, he's trying this. Oh, Father.
That should be recorded. You should have recorded that.
Oh, Father.
J-Bo, I don't know what the hell.
I don't know either. Y'all.
Are you sure these not the ones, J-Mo?
Okay, this was round one, y'all.
There's only one.
This was round one.
Well, maybe they should be cut up.
And y'all see how they look. And he tried it again because I brought him his spring roll skin. What is it?
Drop that in there.
That's how you hand it to him? Did you wash your hands?
No.
Oh, Father.
So it's halfway sanitized.
Halfway sanitized.
When you drop it in the grease, it's going to get sanitized? Let me get a look
We're
of
going
it.
to burn it out. We're going to burn it out.
There it is.
Ooh,
There it is. It's not doing nothing but...
It's just bubbling.
It looks like
And it's sticking onto my chips.
Yeah, it looks like it's...
Oh, Lord.
It looks like it have a blister.
It looks like a
This is
condom.
not the one, J-Mo.
No, it's not. We're going to take this bad boy.
That is the one. So you're going to...
Give me something to take this side.
That's not the one.
Give me something to take this side.
Lord,
Give me the thing over there.
You're blaming... You asked me for spring roll wrap.
Yeah. But the thing says it, but that's not the ones.
Because that looks like it's about to blow up.
It looks like a condom.
Oh, my
Get it,
God.
bro.
They wasn't good.
This is what Ernie did.
Oh.
What I told y'all in the car. He needs to stick to what? Cakes.
No, wait. What did you say the last time we was over there? And some breakfast?
And some breakfast items.
And she ate everything.
Some breakfast
And
items.
she ate everything.
He can do a good quiche. He can do a mean quiche.
Man, please get that camera on my face.
Is your channel coming next month? Is it January 2023? Is it? Ernie's cooking steaks, y'all. These are the steaks. And what is this sauce?
Cajun cream sauce.
Cajun cream sauce.
With shrimp and bacon and surf and turf.
With shrimp and bacon, it's surf and turf. Y'all heard him, I'm just repeating everything he said. But hopefully, it looks delicious. Hopefully it tastes the way that it looks. And this, y'all, was so good. Donna made this and it's so good. She accidentally, it's beyond good, it is. She actually did a copycat of the Joy Uptown guacamole. And the onions, she accidentally put in a flavored water, but it came out very good. The flavor is amazing, and I'm gonna give me some more.
This was a strip, right? You said this was a ribeye.
They all look like ribeye.
That looks like a strip to me.
That's a strip.
That like a strip to me. That's a strip.
Bro, pull that. Just pull it.
These switching my cup?
Yep.
Oh, okay. So we're drinking some caramello pineapple, the wine for this evening with these steaks. Let's get some of what? What I have?
What's that, white?
That's sweet though.
That's red?
Yep.
Give me some of that.
Ernie is the chef behind these steaks today. Sis over here was the guacamole. Let's get into this steak.
I'm impressed at that guacamole.
Let's get into this steak. So apparently he only brought 2 ribeyes.
That was real quick.
We get the strips and he gets the
I can't
ribeye
even,
because
can't even sit down and eat my food.
y'all can see he get the ribeye because
I get the ribeye because.
right
we
there.
got one.
That's
Oh,
why
I
you get
know.
the ribeye right there.
Just, you zooming in on my stomach?
I did. And we had just said he started to look thinner. Now look what happened.
That's because you're making me fatter.
How?
You blowing me up.
How? Y'all look at him.
How y'all feeling?
We feel great. How do you feel?
I feel wonderful. How's the steak?
Why are you sweating so much?
Because it was hot by the stove.
Or is it because you are Lucifer himself? Okay.
This is perfectly cooked. That's beautiful.
I can't hear you, Antaeus. You're so far away.
I said that.
Y'all, if y'all see the way Ernie is eating his steak, y'all remember how he ate that ice
The steak
cream?
was perfectly cooked.
Did y'all remember how he ate that ice cream? This is worse.
Eat the ice cream.
Oh my God, you didn't see that? Look at him.
You know what? You should do an instant replay. I'll show
Oh, how he ate the ice cream? It was horrible. The noises.
Debbie cake ones?
Yes, the noises he was making. You remember what Promise said? He said, why is he making all that noise?
I must have been eating the nutty buddy.
Is that...
Nutty butter.
So the steaks are cooked to perfection. They are cooked to perfection, but it's all about the taste.
That's good.
I was about to say, taste the rainbow.
Oh.
That's good. The sauce is good. Can I have my salad, please? You gonna go make you one?
I'm good.
He tried to eat my salad.
I'm the chef.
I don't care. Don't be hollering about I'm the chef. Don't be.
For me.
No, I made that. And you holler about I'm the chef. Let's talk about that mashed potato catastrophe.
Oh Lord, that's not. That's okay. I'm gonna redeem myself.
Yeah, Ernie did a good job. The steak was good.
I need you to be more upbeat. Sit up straight.
Oh.
Tell them that I did an excellent job on the steak.
Well,
She's
see,
giving you what she felt.
you
She said it was
add a
good.
little bit too many.
It was very good.
I don't know about.
So you're trying to say the steak wasn't excellent?
I'm trying to say excellent is a
Very
strong
good.
word. The steak was good. It was very flavorful. Okay, Ernie did a good job, y'all. Ernie did a good job. The steak was good. It was very flavorful. And I'm giving him his credits now, so you can mark it down.
Because it ain't happening.
Because it ain't happening no more. Doing what he does best, baking. Yes. Look at that. How you feel?
Much better when you're not around.
The lies.
When you're not around.
The lies. I think you enjoy.
Donna.
You just told me to come over here. Now you
Come
gonna
close.
act, when the camera come on, you want to act crazy.
I said, Jamie, you should come over here and get a picture of this. So
Of
that
what?
people can understand and know what I do.
I said bake.
That's hot.
Them rough ass hands. You should have been able to pick that up. Yes, get into it. I want the first row.
Oh man, you gotta tell her to stop.
What's your problem?
She know.
What's your problem? What's the problem?
You know exactly what I'm talking about.
We don't know what you're talking about.
Yes, you do.
Angry man.
Just pay attention. Pay attention next time.
What you want to say to me?
Say something. I say something in retaliation. She tells me, Ernie. Bravo.
That's because you say things to hit below the belt. She's the referee.
That's a whole lot of hitting below the belt.
See?
See? What?
I'm gonna ask you like they asked
What do you mean
Santana.
when you say a whole lot of hitting below the belt?
I mean, do you not see what's below her belt?
She doesn't have one.
Do you not see what's below her belt line?
It's a lot of ass.
Sister,
It's a lot of ass, I'm sorry.
let me see your belt line.
A whole lot of hitting.
Can you pick your belt line up so we can see?
No.
Not pick it up.
Pick it up. It's resting in his lap.
Oh my God.
Come on, Cindy.
The OG.
And she got Cindy Crawford in here.
Yeah.
Look at her arms.
What's up?
Hey squad, so I am finally at home. I'm resting and relaxing in the bed. But I never gave you guys a recap of the gala and my time that I spent over at Brothers and Sisters House with Grumps. And Grumps gonna be Grumps, so what else can I say about that? But the gala was cool. The gala was really nice. I told you guys I did enjoy being able to get dolled up because I don't get to do that very often. When I selected my dress, I was kind of, worried about how I was going to pull the look together. And then I told you guys with my hair, I do not step too far out of my comfort zone. I'm actually going to try some color here soon, which I told you guys about a few vlogs back. It's just taking me a while to move in that direction. But I normally get my parts on the side. I never do a part down the middle. And just, I don't know. So I decided to step outside my comfort zone and I ended up liking it. With the bust down the middle, black, jet black, long, straight. It came out looking very nice. I got so many compliments. And I just liked it. So the look came together and I was very pleased. My time with brother and sister, we always enjoy each other's company. We get to socialize and catch up on things. That's the type of, I have the type of relationship with brother and sister where we don't have to talk daily, but when we come together, we pick up where we left off and things are cool. Then we add Grumps into the mix and things sometimes go haywire because he is who he is. We just gonna pray that when we move into 2023, that he has a change of heart on how he treats me because he does not treat me very well. And so we gonna touch and agree that he begins to treat me better. But that's all I got. I have to give me a little shut eye. I have some things that I need to take care of tomorrow that prepares me to go into the work week. Washing, folding, the things that I hate the most. Washing and folding is my least favorite chore or housework. So, but it has to be done. So I got to take care of that. And until next vlog, I love you guys.